In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your WhatsApp problem. To solve your problem, watch the whole video. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp. To update your WhatsApp, go to the Play Store and check it. Here, as you can see, my WhatsApp update is available, so I'm gonna update my WhatsApp. After updating your WhatsApp, then open your mobile settings. Then scroll down and find out Apps option. Tap on Apps. From here, tap on the search icon at the top. Now search WhatsApp. Then tap on WhatsApp. From here, you have to tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Data. Tap on OK. Now go back. Tap on Permission. From here, you have to allow some of these permissions. Follow this process. By doing these all stuff, our problem has been fixed. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment.